Hey everybody, we're here at the National Hardware Show. We're setting up our booth, and we got the Pressure Pro Dirt Laser. It's the Kohler version 4400 at 4. We're going to unbox it and see what we got here. Nice. Alright, we got good packaging. Looks undamaged. We got good protection on top for stacking. Startup procedure. Setup, it's all right on top. Nice, it's all wrapped good. Get this out here. Alright. Yeah, it seems like the best way to do it. Skip the box a little bit so the wheels roll it right out. It's pretty heavy. Looks like we got everything here. Get it over here so you can see. Nice. It's got the big Kohler on it, so we got 4,400 PSI. Inside the box, we got oil. It won't come with oil in the engine, so we got to put the oil in the engine before we actually run it. The wand is hooked up to the side there. The gun and second part of the wand comes separate. That way you can just screw it together. It comes in two pieces, that way it fits in the UPS box. 50 feet of hose, grain on marking, industrial quick connects. Yeah, everything inside the box. It's sitting on top of all this extra cardboard. Looks like it protected it really good. No damage. No scuffs even on the powder coating. So it looks pretty good. In the box, when we ship it, the handle folds down like this so it completely protects it. All you gotta do is unscrew these here. Those will slide out. Then the handle, it flips around into the operating position just like this. So if you need to transport it, laying it down, that'll be a good feature to have. You just go right back in here to lock it in place, just like that. Got the scissors even right here. Take the wand off. So in order to put the wand together, this blue piece will just screw off. Connect the wand right here. You could actually get different lengths of wands. So say you wanted to get something for reaching higher, you could get a longer wand for this. It's an M22 coupler, which means that it just screws together. Like this. And then you got your quick connects up here for your nozzles. All the nozzles are going to be right here. Got the flat-free tires, so we don't have to worry about that going flat in transit. Looks like we're ready to go.